Rice. It is a staple food in most Asian countries, including the Philippines. But is it true that you can use rice water as an organic fertilizer for your plants? In this video, we will debunk or prove the effectivity of rice water in my plants, as I will try it myself for 40 days, so please watch until the end of the video to see the result. The first part of the video will discuss the components of rice water. The second part is how to prepare and use it in plants. The third part is the actual usage with the result after 40 days. I read some testimonies from different people saying that rice water is an effective fertilizer. But what's in the rice water that makes it a good fertilizer? According to some websites that conducted experiment and research about rice water, it contains nitrogen, phosphorus, potassium, and some other nutrients that are essential for plant growth. However, it is also noted on the website that rice water is a little acidic. Next is preparing the rice water. We cook rice every day, that's why it's very convenient if we can really use this as an organic fertilizer for our plants. First, let's put the rice on the rice cooker. We usually wash the rice twice before cooking it. I will now put in water. And then wash the rice. So we are now done with the first wash. For this experiment, we will be using the first rice water from the first wash. If you want to lessen the nutrients, you may use the second rice water from the second wash. Or you can dilute it by adding more water. I will now pour it in the container so we can use it later to water the plants. You should use this rice water immediately because if you leave it for a certain period of time, it will be fermented and it will smell sour. Let's go outside to see the plant that we will be using for this experiment and where I will use this rice water. This is the plant that I will use for the experiment. I don't know the name of this plant, but this is a flowering plant. But as you can see now, there's no flowers yet. And let's see if flowers will bloom if we apply rice water for 40 days. This is the rice water that we get earlier. We will now water the flowering plants using this. We will do this for 40 days and let's see what happens. After 40 days, there's already flowers in the plants. Okay, there's the second flower. And there's the third one. So based on these results, I can conclude that the rice water is an effective fertilizer for my flowering plants. But please note that each plants have different requirements for fertilizers. So it may work here on my flowering plants, but it is not guaranteed that it will work for all the plants. Also note that I use this every day for this experiment only. You should also be aware that prolonged use of rice water on your plants might attract rats or insects. I don't have any evidence yet since I only use it for 40 days, but just be cautious about that. Also, please monitor your soil's pH level when you plan to use this for a long time. Because like what I said earlier, the pH of rice water is a little high than normal water. That's it for this video. Please don't forget to subscribe to our channel and like, comment, share this video to others. Thank you.